Hey, it's Aleric here, and I'm hanging out with a couple of my clients, Nick and Zach, and we're having a great time. We're actually in Germany. So you guys want to talk a little bit about what we're doing here and what you guys are up to on YouTube ads?
Yeah, man, had a lot of success. Got kicked off of Facebook, as I'm sure a lot of you have, and YouTube's been great. So hanging out with Aleric and AdOutreach, hitting 100K months here, which has been just a massive shift from where we were before. And yeah, getting lots of tips and tricks to keep tweaking the machine, keep moving forwards. It's been huge. Obviously, it allows us to hang out and do cool things.
Yeah, all while being successful in the business. So it's a good balance.
Absolutely. And one of the reasons we're out here is I just got back. I was with Jay Abraham in Paris, France, and we had an incredible mastermind there. And I told these guys I was in the area. They were already in Germany. So we headed up over here to Munich. We're checking out these castles and stuff.
Grab a couple beers and...
Exactly. But planning out, you guys have big plans for the future. Obviously, you're already at those 100K months, but scaling up even beyond that, everything that you guys are doing, digital contractor, things like that. I don't know if you guys want to share any other thoughts that you have about, what we're doing, kind of AdOutreach, everything, but...
Yeah, I'm excited. We haven't even delved into everything we can do, and the potential's still there. And there's always more to do and always more to learn. So we're super excited for what the future has.
Very, very. I think that our understanding, especially as we continue, is that it's very customizable. So there's a lot of different ways to dial it in exactly for the audience, the niche, the market demographic that you're looking for, and that's just been massive. So there's constantly something to tweak, to dial in, to shift, to change, and AdOutreach has been huge in that regard. So it's definitely a pretty big ocean to swim in on your own, and so having a bit of a guide is great.
Absolutely. And it's also great to hang out with these guys as well. So hopefully you guys are excited about building up your own business from YouTube ads. Like you guys said, honestly, they got shut down on Facebook. Maybe you guys are experiencing the same thing. What was it you told me when you guys got shut down, but then you got on YouTube and you started to see everything kick in?
It was a blessing in disguise, largely because we didn't realize how much more diverse and leverageable YouTube is than Facebook. There's just so many more levers to pull. Forgive the bus going by. But yeah, massive blessing in disguise. Video is not going anywhere. It absolutely is not. And so it's the medium of, I would say, of the future in regards to the fact that it's the preferred medium. We prefer watching a quick video over reading a chunk of anything.
Yeah, absolutely. And then one of the last things I have for you guys before we head off, we got to go take a look at some of these castles that we're at here in Munich. But you guys have been clients for over a year. Obviously, you're in our YouTube ads inner circle. What keeps you, obviously working with us on the YouTube ad side, and what's kind of the big motivation you have and goals for now?
I mean, if you spend most of your time driving the car, you can't hope to be an excellent mechanic at the same time. So the reality is we need to have a mechanic that's tweaking the car while we're driving it.
Yep.
Absolutely. Do we see 250K months?
Oh man,
down the road?
That's the goal. That's it. That's coming up.
Let's make it happen. Awesome. We're gonna be checking out these castles here, and then we're gonna be planning out how these guys are gonna keep dominating it on YouTube. So we'll see you guys later.
Cheers.